Dear friends, in this video we are going to learn how to measure density of a wooden piece with the help of weighing balance, scale and calculator. So let's start to measure density, and in this similar way you can also measure density of any substance on your oven. So let's demonstrate this practical. So first we know formula of density is mass by volume. So we write formula on our canvas here to measure density. So density is equal to mass by volume. So to measure density we need mass and its volume. Okay, to measure mass we have a balance. This is a 200 gram capacity weighing balance. So let's start our balance. Wait for some time to auto calibrate balance, and then it show reading in gram on its display, which we can see here. And after that we place our wooden piece here and note down the reading. It shows the reading of 10.70 gram. So we get mass is equal to 10.70 gram. As these sort of balances have least count of 0.01, so these are very sensitive. So after experiment, shut off your balance. Now we need the volume of this substance or wood piece. So let's measure it. Now we take measurement of this wooden piece. So its first length is 2.9 centimeter. So we write its volume formula is length into breadth into height. So we take the length is 2.9 centimeter. Now we take its breadth, and it's also 2.9 means its length and width is 2.9 centimeter. And now we measure its height. So its height is 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter. Now we use our calculator to do calculations. 2.9 into 2.9 into 2.8, it's 23.548 centimeter cube. So we write this here 23.548 centimeter cube. So density is 10.70 gram divided by 23.548 centimeter cube. So we done our calculation as 10.70 divided by 23.548 is equal to 0.454 is equal to 0.454 gram per centimeter cube. So this is our density of wooden piece, 0.454 gram per centimeter cube. You can also get this density in kg per meter cube by multiplying this quantity with 1000. So it is 0.454 into 1000 kg per meter cube. That is equal to 454.0 kg per meter cube. So it's our final density. In this way we can calculate density of any substance with the help of weighing balance and a scale. So to get the density we need two quantity, that is mass, which we can measure with the help of weighing balance, and we need volume, which we can get with the help of scale. Maximum densities of solids whose mass and volume we can get with the help of this formula. For liquids we can measure their mass with the help of balance and volume with the help of measuring cylinder. So we can get the density of liquids in that way, and we can also measure density of liquids with the help of hydrometers, which we can demonstrate in our upcoming practicals. Thank you to watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe our YouTube channel Chemistry Notes Info. You can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to get all chemistry notes, PDFs, experiments, videos, and you can also download them. Thank you to listening us.